Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Indonesia. Before presenting my paper, let me introduce myself first. My name is Dinda Qasim Amrullah, representative from Politeknik Negeri Bandung, majoring in Chemical Engineering Department, study program Diploma 3 Chemical Engineering. I would like to tell you about my paper with the title The Utilization of Peltier, the heat of material and the chemical reaction as the alternative to produce electrical energy to more independent Indonesia. With economic growth and increasing of electronic tools user and the big growth population, Indonesia needs enormous energy to complete the needs energy of population. One of the most important energy in Indonesia which become backbone of economical activity and the other activities of Indonesian society is electrical energy. Until now, more than 7,500 villages in Indonesia can enjoy the bright light as we can enjoy now. Do you know how much the electrical energy subsidies in our nation every year? 100, 200, or 200 million? No. The subsidies of electrical energy for national in Indonesia is 100 trillion every year. The power source of electrical energy of PT PLN Persero comes from fuel such as oil and coal. We know that fuel and coal is not renewable energy and they are decreasing in our nation. Therefore, we need new power plants for producing electrical energy without not sourced from PLN, environmentally not producing waste and not using fossil fuels. One of the solutions that can be used is using chemical reaction and use the heat generated. The heat generated can be converted to electrical energy by using Peltier. Now, I would like to tell you about my product for this problem in our nation. It is my product. My product consists of Peltier, heatsink, and reactor. The first component is Peltier. It is Peltier. Peltier is thermoelectric component. How the Peltier can work? Peltier can convert the different temperature between the top and the bottom become electrical energy. Peltier is made from bismuth telluride and ceramic. Bismuth telluride is semiconductor material that have two types. They are P-type and N-type. The ceramic is used for protecting the bismuth telluride from conducting with the heat directly. If the heat contact with the heat directly, the bismuth telluride will be blocked. The dimension of Peltier is 4 × 4 cm square. One Peltier can produce maximum voltage 4 volt and the maximum ampere is 0.4 ampere. So, if we give more Peltier, the voltage and ampere will bigger and bigger. The second component is heatsink. Heatsink is conductor material which made from metal, especially from aluminum. Heatsink is made with square shape and has barriers to expand the surface area to accelerate the heat conduction. It also becomes a medium between Peltier with the heat and cold source. So, there's no contact directly between the heat and cold source with the Peltier. It also spreads the heat and cold to the Peltier evenly. The last component is reactor. Reactor is a place for reacting, storing, and mixing chemical materials which become a power source. It is very simple. It's made from polypropylene or the other insulator which not expand when contact with the heat directly. For this prototype, I use 4 of Peltier. For the power source, we must use 2 of power source. The first power source is cool power source. For the cool power source, we can use ice or methanol. And the second is heat power source. First, we can use hot water. The hot water can make Peltier produce maximum voltage 3 volt and the maximum ampere 0.4 ampere. And the second is use chemical reaction between natrium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. This reaction not produce emission but produce salt and water. Based on result of my research, if we increase the concentration of sulfuric acid and add the mass of natrium hydroxide, the maximum voltage and maximum ampere will bigger and bigger. For the last heat power source, we can reacting hydrochloric acid with calcium oxide which produce calcium chloride and water. This reaction is also not producing emission. Calcium chloride is very useful for industry company. Based on the results of my research, if we increase the concentration of hydrochloric acid and add the mass of calcium oxide, the maximum voltage and ampere will bigger and bigger. So, the conclusion is Indonesia government should take this opportunity by developing the result of my research become the real project, especially for secluded village in Indonesia. This product also can change the genset with produce electrical energy too, but the genset is too many components and use the fuel. But this prototype is very economical and not use the fuel, but use renewable energy. So, if this prototype become the project in Indonesia, Indonesia will be better and Indonesian society become independent for producing the power source of electrical energy. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.